Hi all, today I'm gonna show you my science experiment. You need 2 ice cubes, 1 thread, some salt and some water. First you need to put your thread on top of the 2 ice cubes. Next you need to get some salt and put it on the surface of the ice cubes. Next, we got to wait 1 minute. Now, 1 minute is over. So now I'm gonna show you the magic. Do you want to learn the science behind this? The salt increased the temperature of the ice. The surface of the ice turned into water. The ice turned the water into ice again. That's how the thread sticks to the ice.